And it's not about the sex, it's not about the sex. It's about that moment afterward. And the world stops. It just feels so safe. So safe. Remember when I was dead? Before I went in that water, everything was so complicated, hard. And then you pulled me out of the water. And I came back to life. For a moment, everything was so clear. As if the water had washed everything clean. Do you remember that?
I do.
Me too.